Man, I've been waiting forever to get this, just so I could clean this thing up. This cover is done. It's full. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's full of crap. So, I got another one. On sale. French side. On sale. Don't believe me? I'll show you. This thing's a mess. Can you see how dark it is? Can you see how bad that is? It's this dirt, grime, welding dust, grinding dust. For about 7 years. Here's your stand. Look, snow's going, but it's raining. So what today is cleanup day. I wanted to get rid of this cover before I clean the car because underneath's not that great either. I didn't want to put a dirty cover back on the car. So, got the new cover. Now I can clean the car. Snow's gone, so let's get her clean. Do the reveal. Not sure what I'm doing with this one. 240 maybe? Got a hole in the middle. Where the antenna goes. Remember, if Blake wants the lift today, he's got to adjust his diffuser. So I'll do a low spot, so it's on here. Oh, yeah. You can see the dirt. Goes right through. Alright, so we get to start washing the car. It's so cold at night, it's down to 0, so I can't take the hose out. So we gotta use the old squirt bottle. Man, when we first got the car, we used this to clean it. It's the very first time we got it unloaded from the truck. It was like -5 degrees out. This is the best we could do. And it would freeze to the car if we did it waited too long. So, really? So, this is what I'm doing it with. Just gonna follow me around and around. Well, there you go. I don't know if you could see from just that how dirty those wheels were. They're probably a big change before and after with those, but there, it turns out pretty good. I can tell that the car needs like a good buff and polish. Some of the spots are hard to get out. And I think I was going to try clay barring. I haven't done that to this, so that might be the next thing to do to it. Anyways, for now she's pretty good. I'll be able to put the cover on it. Now I get to see if it fits the cover. Says for large SUV. We don't have an SUV, but shape is probably better with the wing. Oh, it's in the bag. know why. I wanted to clean the car first. I'm sure now you can do it. Go, hey, off! Off! What the hell? Don't jump on my car. Just clean it. You had to put your paw prints on it, didn't you? For what? New cover. It's gotta have your mark on it. Is that what it is? Oof, paw prints. Yeah, here. Fit better than the other one. Alright, I think we're better. The old one was always a bit too tight. Just a wee bit, this one falls down better. Oh yeah. Yeah, this one does fit better. The old one, I don't mind this falling down here because the old one didn't cover all the wheels. When Blake was welding and crap, all the crap would get on the wheels and I got to clean them. That's better. Way better. All right. That's that job done. I'm gonna detail up the engine bay, the insert, the whole glass, and a bunch of other things. Do that another day. Apparently Copper wants to go in for a nap. See ya. You gonna speak? Hmm? Hmm? Okay. Just kicked you in the butt, didn't I? Hey, off! What the hell was that? Hey. Don't take my rags either. I say it turned out pretty good. You go down or get back up?
You all the way down the stairs.
Hey, how come French gets a little touchy window? English doesn't. I think he drops it on purpose. Told you. Yeah, just finished the Durango and look, this one's got a hole too. It rained last night. Anyways, I think it turned out pretty good, all things considered. Needs a buff, and then should be good. Copper's got a cigar. So figures, I'm getting this thing ready to sell because it's been sitting all winter. And I go to start it up and I look underneath and what do I see? See that hanging there? Copper, don't bite my goof. Just bit my... You'll see. Well, maybe you can see it. There we go. You can see it now. So yeah. Cover of the wind cover of my microphone. The goof hit that. He likes to bite it if I get down low enough. Oh yeah, I'm going to sell it and see that hanging there? Copper! You're such a goof. See that hanging down there where copper is? That's a problem. I think the shield on the fuel tank just dropped off. Yeah, I always gotta have a look at that before I can sell it. Alright, well that was easy. It's just some heat shields on the bottom of the gas tank that are coming off of it, and basically just held on right now by welding wire, which one of the guys at work must have done, and that's good enough for me since it's good enough to sell that way. Back to this one. He let me borrow his car for the night. It lights up quite a bit in here. There's one that's really neat to watch. It's kind of like the fun gauge.